Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the one train of thought that will completely override any negative manifestations that you have had in the past that you may be worrying about. Literally, if you bring yourself back to this idea, you will be able to manifest anything in your life within one moment. Literally, not even a second. Right now. But before I get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things self-development. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. The one train of thought that you must have is everything is neutral. Change the story. Your life, every single thing that you are believing is actually not true. Nothing is true and everything is true at the same time. Every single thing can be changed if you change the story. Have you seen that meme where that guy is looking at the side of the cliffs and the other guy, and they're both sitting on the bus, the other guy's sitting and looking at this beautiful view, and it's all just a matter of perception. It is whatever you say it is. I understand that we're all humans and we have negative thoughts and we go into spirals sometimes. I gotta admit, I was in a spiral yesterday and then I had a shower and I was like, wait a goddamn minute. I can twist the story into however I want because everything is fundamentally neutral. Okay, I'm going to take a real life example, a real life problem that is happening in my life right now, because I feel like people don't talk about their real issues, right? They're always like, oh my God, here's my success story. I'm going to be 100 with you. I'm going to keep it real and tell you exactly what it is that I was thinking about. And I had this epiphany and I was like, literally, it is whatever I say it is. I can spin the narrative to however I want because nothing is fundamentally true, right? So I am working night shifts 1 week out of the month, every single month, right? Now, this is something that I am over. Like, I want to be working on day shifts, right? Now, in the shower, I was like, this has been going on for a long time. What is going on? Why haven't I progressed? What is happening? Why am I still at work until 2 a.m.? And I was like, hold on a second. It is whatever I say it is. I get to spin the narrative however I want. I am zooming out right now. This is just one chapter of my life. I have learned how to work in a breaking news environment at that time. This is bringing me more knowledge in the breaking news department. This is going to discipline me into a better person. I am zooming out and I know that this is something that is temporary. I can sleep in. I have time to run errands or do things during the day, which is something that I absolutely love. Just knowing that I can use this experience to my benefit because I know that every single thing that I have used in the past that looked and perceived at that moment in time for me as something that was horrible was actually something that I used to my benefit. I'm sorry, I live in Manhattan. I'm trying to be louder than the ambulances today, okay? Ambulance, ambulance. I am Russian right now because I'm Russian, and I'm rushing because I'm about to head to work. It's 4:30 right now, and I gotta run. It's lucky that I live quite close to my work. Anyways, do you see what I mean? If it is something that is outside of you, for example, if your boyfriend isn't texting you, right, you can go down a spiral saying, hey, my boyfriend doesn't want to talk to me right now. He might be busy at work. He might not be on his phone right now. Even if he is on his phone and he just doesn't want to talk to you, let's just say hypothetically, but you spin the narrative in a way where you say, hey, this is actually him being really busy. He loves me. He loves talking to me. That reality is going to shape into itself because that's how you are going to perceive it. So the world, the universe, your outer perception of things has no choice but to assimilate. It starts all in your mind first and then it projects out into reality. I can't catch a break today. Thank you. There was someone right outside of my apartment and I was yelling, you're in a reality reflex your outer reality. So as long as you know that it is whatever you say it is, that is exactly what it's going to be. I had this happen time and time again where, you know, I had an amazing, healthy, happy relationship or friendship or whatever, and it was absolutely amazing. And I looked for faults in it, I looked for problems, and problems was all I got, because what you focus on magnifies, obviously. If you focus on a plant, your reality is that plant. You are going to get more of that plant because you are looking at it. It's literally just that simple. So if you are looking at, oh my God, my boyfriend isn't texting me right now. My boyfriend isn't texting me right now. My boyfriend isn't texting me right now. But literally you guys FaceTimed for 6 hours. I don't know why it stopped recording, and I have no idea where it stopped, but as I said, I could not catch a break today. This is the most chaotic YouTube video ever. Actually, no, let me spin the narrative into the fact that this is a really exciting video that is going to immerse my viewers even more. Literally, the reality is it is whatever you think it is. You can spin the narrative into whatever way that you want, because everything is neutral. You have no idea how many things there are in this world that you can look at, because you are looking through your own individualistic perception of things. You don't know everything, right? You are just choosing to look at whatever it is that you either see, or just based on your personality. It's the same thing as like a set of twins have had the exact same experiences since they were born, but those set of twins can look at reality in a completely different way, and they will recall things completely differently because they were looking at it in a specific way, right? It's the same for absolutely everything. Your reality will shape into what you want it to be if you do not look at unfavorable circumstances and look at the things that you do want to happen. Imagination, although false, will turn into reality if persisted in, or something to that effect, as per Neville Goddard's teachings, right? Now, this is officially the most chaotic YouTube video that I have ever filmed, but it is okay because that is what makes it more exciting. So again, I'm spinning the narrative. It is not chaotic. It's something that is fun and unexpected for my viewers. So I hope that you got something out of this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.